everyone, it's Minnie from Mini Cookies, and today we are doing a Latina-inspired makeup look. We'll be going for a bronzed, warm, and snatched vibe basically. So alright, let's get started before my motivation evaporates like my willpower to watch K-dramas at 3 a.m. Let's get started. Step 1 is hydration. Hydration is key even if I forget water. So for hydration, I'm using this E45 moisturizer because dry skin and makeup are not besties. We need that fresh, hydrated glow. I'm gonna apply a little amount of this on my face, like this. I will also apply it on the neck. So just get the hair back and so I have done my moisturization and also my vocal cover of gum. If you liked it, okay, give it a thumbs up. Now it's time for the step 2, and I will be using this Maybelline Baby Skin primer. I really like this because it just, oh my god, my hands are moisturized and now the cap is not opening, so I will be just cleaning it and opening it. Okay, the cap is now open. I will be using this amount of primer on my face. I don't apply too much primer because my skin is oily, so it just separates out when the oil gets together with it. So yeah, apply it where you think that there are so many pores on your face, so it will just cover out and your base will be so flawless. Okay, I have applied my primer in the areas I think that should be covered or blurred. So after this, I will be using foundation stick, which is Kryolan stick, but I'm using this because this is a shade darker than my skin, and in Latina makeup, you know, it's a bronzed vibe, so we need a shade that is darker than my skin. I will be applying a little amount here, 2 here and 2 here and 1 here and 1 here and 1 here, and on neck as well. Okay, I've applied my Kryolan stick, mostly used for heavy makeups, but I'm using this because I need that darker vibe and it's a darker shade than my skin, so yeah. Now I'll be using a damp beauty blender, okay, and then we'll start tap them. As I forgot to apply my lenses, so let me put them on first and then chew. So now I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, as you can see here. Open it, just do like this and apply on the area that I'm applying to, that it will give you the Latina vibes, because there are some specific areas that we have to apply in this makeup look. So yes, apply it under your eyes, on the side of your nose bridge, and on the chin, and the area where you want to contour under that also. Here, your forehead as well. I know these are the areas that we always conceal, but yes, we have to conceal again here in this makeup look. So let's just blend it. It's time to blend. I'm gonna use that beauty blender again that I used before for the foundation, and just blend it smoothly. The skincare is really important because if your skin is smooth, the makeup will be flawless, and if it's not, then it's not gonna be okay. So that's why I applied a moisturizer first. It's a must even if you have dry skin, oily skin, whatever you have. The main part in Latina makeup is the dark brows, so I'm gonna just apply the concealer around them to make them prominent like this. Again, blend them like we always did. It's time for a loose powder or baking powder, whatever you're using. I'm using this loose powder. I don't know if it's visible or not, but this is Malia loose powder. So yes. Okay, now I'm using this brush and apply it here under your eye. first. I know it sounds strange, but trust me, if you apply your eyeliner before your eye makeup, even before your foundation, it will be a good thing, because when you apply your eyeliner first, it's kind of a stamp that eyeliners always get up and down. So for that thing, I think that eyeliner should be first and then do your eye makeup. This is my trick. I always apply eyeliner first. Because I have hooded eyes, that's why I apply my eyeliner while open eyes, because when I close it, it goes like this. Okay, my eyeliner is done, and now I will be moving on to my eye shades. So for eye shades, I will be using 3 different kinds of kit. These kits for my eye shades. So first of all, I'm gonna go for the base one, and for base, I'm using this shade for my base. Apply more in your inner corner area because it's more highlighted in Latina makeup. I'm gonna just blend this eye shade a little upwards from my inner corner to my eyebrow, so it will give a open eye look because my eyes are hooded. This is my trick. I don't know if it works for you or not. Like this. Apply a little bit of this shade under my eyes. Now I'm using this kit. I'm using this shade and will be applying on my outer corner like this. If you have hooded eyes, just open your eye, look straight, and the areas that you want to apply, do this, and then close your eye and start blending. From the last kit, I will be using this shade and apply it under my eyes like this. I'm using a hard highlighter and using this tool and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna also apply it on the brow bone. I'm going to darken my eyeliner now. Now I'm using this Miss Rose liquid highlighter to highlight in this, and it will be more prominent. Now I'm using this mascara.
What the dog doing?
It has just changed the whole look of my eyes. So yes, now I'm gonna put on my eyelashes that are these ones. Let me just apply. I just realized that I got mascara here. Don't rub, okay? Just tap, 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 tap. I have put on my lashes, and now I'm using this Christy face contour kit to do a little bit bronzing on my face, and I'm using this lighter shade and this kind of brush. We'll start from the starting point of the ear and towards this, like this, and go towards the upper side like this. You can do like this if you want. I just like to just do my face at the one side. Same on the other side. You can see the difference, like it's a huge difference. I also like to do my jawline so it becomes more sharper. It looks more beautiful. Also do this area. I'm using same color and like this straight brush for my nose contour, and I will start from this area like this. Be careful with the lines, because if it's like so your nose will like.
What the dog doing?
In this makeup we have to make a kind of upward nose, like a button nose or whatever you